Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's always on the lookout for that perfect wave, you've probably heard of the Samvilla Pro Results Single Waver. But does this tool truly deliver on its promise of glam, frizz-free waves with lasting shine? Let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. The Samvilla Pro Results Single Waver is a ceramic-coated U-shaped plate styling tool designed to create deep, flawless waves with a glossy finish. It's equipped with adjustable heat settings ranging from 280 degrees to 430 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for all hair types, whether you have fine, medium, or coarse hair. The tool's deep barrel design is built to wave hair quickly and efficiently, while the PTC heater ensures even heat distribution for consistent results every time. It also has a nifty LED display, so you know exactly when it's heated and ready to go, plus an auto-shutoff feature for safety, which is always a welcome touch. Now let's talk about real-world use. I tested this waver on a variety of hair types, and the results were impressive. For my own hair, which tends to be on the fine side, I started with the lowest heat setting at 280 degrees Fahrenheit, and it gave me soft, beachy waves with a natural shine. I appreciated how fast the tool heated up. Within minutes, I was ready to go. The deep barrel design made the process feel quicker than traditional curling irons, and the waves held up throughout the day without any frizz, even on a humid day. But what about for those with coarser or thicker hair? Well, my husband helped me test this out, as the product is geared towards all hair types. With his thick hair, we cranked the heat to about 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and the results were even better. His hair took to the waves beautifully and held them without any struggle, and the shine was impressive. Both of us noticed how smooth and frizz-free our hair looked, with no need for touch-ups. So, whether you have finer or more coarse hair, the Samvilla Pro Results Single Waver works across the spectrum. When it comes to the pros, there's quite a bit to appreciate. The temperature settings give you a lot of flexibility for different hair types and textures, and the ceramic coating helps to keep the hair smooth without causing damage. The auto-shutoff feature is also a big plus, especially if you're always on the go. Additionally, the deep barrel design makes creating waves faster and easier compared to many traditional tools, which I personally love. On the flip side, one small con I noticed is that the design of the handle can be a bit bulky for some users. If you have smaller hands, the handle might feel a bit awkward at first, but it's something you get used to with time. Another thing to consider is the price point. While it's not the most expensive tool on the market, it's definitely a higher-end investment, so you'll want to weigh the cost against how often you plan to use it. Speaking of price, is the Samvilla Pro Results Single Waver worth it? The quality is definitely there, from the build to the results. So if you're someone who styles your hair regularly or prefers tools that provide lasting, professional quality results, then it's definitely worth the investment. But if you're on a tighter budget or just want something for occasional use, you might want to explore alternatives in a lower price range. When comparing this waver to other similar products on the market, it stands out in a few key areas: temperature range, ceramic coating for smooth waves, and a deep barrel design that speeds up styling. Some alternatives may be more affordable, but they often lack the same level of temperature control or the consistency that this tool offers. The build quality is strong, the tool feels sturdy in your hand, and the ceramic coating is durable enough to last through multiple uses. I've used it for weeks now, and it still performs like new, which is a great sign of its longevity. As for the travel-ready feature with dual voltage, that's perfect for anyone who's constantly on the go. I haven't had any direct interactions with Samvilla's customer service, but based on the brand's reputation for quality tools and customer care, I'm confident they'd be responsive if needed. They are known for their professional-grade products, so I'd expect good support if anything went wrong. Final thoughts? The Samvilla Pro Results Single Waver is a great tool for anyone looking for deep, consistent waves with minimal frizz and a lot of shine. It's a solid investment for anyone who styles their hair regularly or values high-quality, durable tools. It does what it claims, and the flexibility of temperature settings makes it suitable for a variety of hair types. While the price might be a little steep for casual users, the tool's performance and longevity make it a worthwhile purchase for those who want professional results at home. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.